Most people think they're lazy. They think they lack discipline. They think they just don't want it badly enough. But that's not true. And I know this because I've seen the same pattern over and over again. People don't fail. They don't quit. They never even start. And it has nothing to do with laziness. Here are the real reasons why. Reason number one, too many choices create paralysis. The internet gives beginner unlimited options. Amazon FBA, TikTok Shop, affiliate marketing, AI, faceless content. At first, it feels like opportunity. In reality, it creates paralysis. Because every time you look at a new model, your brain resets and says, wait, what if this one is better? So instead of moving forward, you stay stuck comparing. Too many choices don't help beginners, they stop them. Reason number two, buying courses feels like progress, but it isn't. I sold Amazon courses to both Arabic and English audience. Different cultures, same behavior. What shocked me wasn't that people struggled. It was that many people didn't even open the course. And even among those who did watch it, many got stuck on the same question, what product should I choose? This was despite the course being full of real examples and even after 2 years of bi-weekly live sessions where the same question kept coming up. Some people never logged in, some never watched a single lesson. They bought the course and stopped because buying the course felt like progress. It reduced anxiety, it gave temporary relief, but relief is not momentum, and once the fear came back, they froze. Reason three, fear is disguised as being smart. Most people say they're researching, but what they're really doing is avoiding risk. They tell themselves, I just want to be sure, I don't want to waste time, let me watch a few more videos. That's not strategy, that's fear. Certainty doesn't come before action. It comes from feedback, and feedback only comes after you start. Reason 4. Gurus teach people to chase the perfect model. Most marketing online says this works for everyone. That's a lie. What works depends on your risk tolerance, your time, your situation, your starting point. When people are told every model is amazing, they assume they are the problem when it doesn't click. So they jump to the next thing, and the cycle repeats. I know this very well as I have been there before. Reason 5. Capital-heavy models break beginners mentally. Let's be honest. Some business models are not beginner-friendly. I always have said Amazon FBA requires significant capital and knowledge. When someone says, just invest a few $1,000s and learn from mistakes, that advice hits very differently when money is tight. Losing money early doesn't feel like learning. It feels like failure. And once that happens, most people shut down completely. That's not laziness. That's self-protection. Reason 6. They don't have a safe first step. This is the biggest one. Most people don't need motivation. They need a safe way to begin. Something with low risk, fast feedback, clear structure. Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after small wins. The goal isn't to choose the best business in the world. The goal is to choose one you'll actually start and go deep in it, not just touch the surface. If you've been stuck, there's nothing wrong with you. You're not lazy, you're not behind, you're not broken. You've just been given the wrong starting point. And this channel exists to fix that. Tell me in the comment if any of these points apply to you.